Hey guys, this is the Wolfbox 3000 amp jump starter, power bank, and tire compressor. So this comes with different preset settings for the tire compressor. You can see it has different units. Generally, you're going to stick with PSI or bars. Now, this can inflate a car, motorcycle, bike, or different materials. It has different connector pieces, so you can do like a ball or an inflatable. 36 PSI is generally what you're going to stick with for your car tires. It does come with a built-in light. This is also a power bank, which is nice. So I'm going to hold this down to turn off the light. It does come with a 15-volt output, 10 amp, and USB-C and USB-A hookups as well. This little area on the right here is where you hook in the tire inflator hose. These are what the sides look like. This is pretty compact, but definitely a little bit bigger than just a plain jump starter. These are the pieces you would use to connect to your bicycle or like a ball. Comes with a charging cable that's USB-C, as well as the tire inflator hose. Now this is the cords here that's going to plug into the side. This does have a boost feature. And then when you hook it up correctly, so negative, black to negative, red to positive on the vehicle, it's going to give you a green light to go. Now, if you do need to use the boost feature, that means your vehicle's battery is super dead or just needs that extra boost from the jump starter. You can press that if it does indicate that. And now we're just going to press the button here. That's, say, in a normal starting mode. And once it's connected, you'll start the car up, let it run for a while. Now, if you do need to press the boost feature, you'll press the boost feature while it's connected to the car, come around, and then turn on your car. That's going to indicate for the jump starter to then give the extra boost. Now, guys, I would recommend this just because it is a high amperage as far as high starting cranking amps. It does come with a nice hard case, and it does separate the jump starter from the other materials, which I like. I am including this down below.